Welcome to English Practice Time, the channel to practice your English every day. Today we are going to review the WH questions. Okay, so here we have them. What, when, where, who, whose, why, and how. Are you ready to practice? Let's go for the number one. Blank is the concert. Tomorrow at 8 p.m. So which is the right answer for this one? The right answer is when. When is the concert? Tomorrow at 8 p.m. So in this case, someone was asking for a specific time. Therefore, the answer is when. Let's go for the exercise number 2. Blank, do you live? I live in a beautiful house near the beach. Someone is asking for a specific place. Therefore, the right answer is where. Where do you live? Okay, very good. Let's go for the exercise number 3. Blank is your teacher. My teacher is the tall man with glasses. Someone is asking for a person. And for people we use who. Who is your teacher? The tall man with glasses. Very good. Number 4. Blank, do you dance? Because I love music. In this case, someone is asking for a reason. And for reasons we use why. Why do you dance? Because I love music. Very good. Let's go for the exercise number 5. Blank, are you doing tonight? I'm going to the cinema. Someone is asking for an action. And for actions or things, we use what. What are you doing tonight? I'm going to the cinema. Maybe, that person is going to eat some popcorn and watch a very nice movie. Let's go for the number 6. Blank, did you learn English? I practiced every day watching English practice time videos. So in this case, somebody is asking for a manner, for a way to do things. And the right question word for this is how. How did you learn English? Practicing every day, watching this channel. Okay, let's go for the exercise number 7. Blank, are you? I'm your new coworker. Nice to meet you. In this exercise, somebody is asking for a person. And for people we use who. Who are you? Your new coworker. Nice to meet you. Number 8. Blank, do you want for dinner? I want some sushi. In this case, somebody is asking for a thing. And for things we use what. What do you want for dinner? Some sushi will be good. Okay, let's go for the number 9. Blank, did you buy that amazing jacket? I bought it at a big store near my house. Somebody is asking for a place. And for places we use where. Where did you buy that amazing jacket? At a big store near my house. Number 10. Blank, did you buy that jacket? Because I was cold and it had a discount. So in this case, it's kind of similar as the number 9. But in the exercise number 10, someone is asking for a reason. Therefore, the right answer is why. Why did you buy that jacket? Because I was cold and it had a very nice discount. Okay, let's go for the number 11. Blank, much did the jacket cost? $75. In this case, somebody is asking about quantity. Therefore, the right answer is how. How much did the jacket cost? $75. Let's go for the exercise number 12. Blank, else did you buy? Some socks and a pair of shoes. The person is asking for things. Therefore, the right answer is what. What else did you buy? Some socks and a pair of shoes. Okay, let's go for the exercise number 13. Blank, book is this? It's mine. I brought it to study. This one is very interesting because we are asking for ownership. Who owns this book? Therefore, the right question word is whose. Whose book is this? It's mine. I brought it to study. Let's go for the exercise number 14. Blank phone is this? I think it's hers. She was looking for it an hour ago. In this case, it's the same. Someone is looking for the owner of the phone. Therefore, the right answer is whose. Whose phone is this? I think it's hers. She was looking for it an hour ago. Exercise number 15. Blank, are you going to send the letter? I will send it on Friday. Someone is asking for a specific time. Therefore, the right answer is when. When are you going to send the letter? Don't worry, I will send it on Friday. 16. Blank is the youngest person in the class. George, he is 18 years old. In this case, someone is asking for a person, and for people we use who. Who is the youngest person in the class? Very good. Let's go for the exercise 17. Blank hamburger is this? It's mine. I ordered it with double cheese. In this exercise, someone is asking for the owner of the hamburger. Therefore, the right answer is whose? Whose hamburger is this? It's mine. I like it with double cheese. 18. It is 9 p.m. Blank, where are you? I was at the office. I had to work extra hours today. In this case, someone is asking for a place, for a location. Therefore, the right answer is where. Where were you? Okay, let's go for the exercise number 19. Blank, are you eating healthier? My doctor told me to stop eating sugar. In this exercise, someone is asking for a reason. Therefore, the right answer is why. Why are you eating healthier? My doctor told me to stop eating sugar. That's great. Number 20. Blank is your flight tomorrow at 5 p.m. In this exercise, someone is asking for a specific time. Therefore, the right answer is when. When is your flight? Tomorrow at 5 p.m. All right, let's go for the 21. Blank, does he look so tired? Because he has been working for 10 hours. Again, someone is asking for a reason, and for reasons we use why. Why does he look so tired? Okay, let's go for the number 22. Blank is your birthday. My birthday is the next week. You are invited to the party. In this case, someone is asking for time. Therefore, the right answer is when. When is your birthday? 23. Blank, how old are you? I'm 30 years old. This is a very common question. And in this case, we need the question word how. How old are you? I want to know the degree of your age. How old? Very good. I'm 30 years old. Let's go for the number 24. Blank, often do you go to the gym? I go to the gym twice per week. In the exercise 24, somebody is asking for frequency. And to ask that, we need to put how. How often do you go to the gym? I go to the gym twice per week. Exercise 25. Blank, are you looking for? I'm looking for my best friend. The right answer here is who. Who are you looking for? Because someone is looking for another person. 26. Blank, long have you been learning English? For 2 years. In this case, we are asking for a period of time. Therefore, we use how. How long have you been learning English? Very good. Okay, let's go for the number 27. Blank, is he from? He is from Japan. In this case, someone is asking for a place. And for places we use where. Where is he from? He is from Japan. 28. Blank, much does the cake cost? It costs $45. So in this case, someone is asking for quantity. And for quantity, we use how. How much does the cake cost? Very good. Let's go for the 29. Blank, time is it? It's 5:30 p.m. In this case, someone is asking for a thing. Therefore, the right answer is what? What time is it? It's 5:30 p.m. All right, let's go for the number 30. Blank, should I subscribe to this channel? Because it's a great way to practice English. In this case, someone is asking for a reason. Therefore, the right answer is why. Why should I subscribe to this channel? Because it's a great way to practice your English. So very good, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. Remember to interact with it, maybe with a like, maybe with a comment, maybe subscribing. And let's keep growing this amazing English practice community. So that's it for this video. Thank you very much. See you soon.